Awesome. Okay. So just some more COVID updates like every time. Um, looks like we're kind of going down again, so that's a good sign. Hopefully that trend will continue. And then the same link that I put every week, just because it's so helpful and I want it shared far and wide. This is the link that tenants can go to, well, anybody can go to get various types of assistance from the city. It includes like rent help, but also food and domestic violence and all kinds of things. Okay, here's our new data. We are still, so remember that this is homes priced 100 to 200,000. So that's kind of what investors are mainly looking for. And we're still just chugging along right on track. COVID, even the recent dip doesn't seem to have affected showings very much. I think it's interesting that even though there's less inventory, there's still just as many showings. So lots and lots of buyers out looking. And the same thing with rental showings. Erin and I were just chatting before we started about how easy it is to get a tenant right now. There's just so many people looking that you'll get several applications usually in the first week. So it's just people are ready to move. They've been waiting, and this seemed to be the month to do it. Home sales, again, just on track, actually a little bit higher than, we had that dip. That was last week, that 469 was all we were seeing. And so we were kind of, we don't know if this is going to continue or not. And it came back up. So, of course, that's right after the 4th of July weekend. So that's probably the reason for that. But yeah, home sales are going along, and the price is staying pretty consistent. Seems to be going up slightly over time. And this is the new data from July. So the sales price is going up. I think that there was a slight dip in June because that we had that escalation of cases, and maybe it dipped a little bit with people kind of, some fear driving lower prices, but we're back where we started or where we were in May. And so you can see like it's definitely, higher than this time last year, higher than it's been. Pending sales are way down. That's not an indication of homes not selling. That's an indication of homes not being on the market. So same thing with these closed sales. They're lower than they were this time last year, but it's because there's so much less inventory. Like we've said every week, there's just not enough homes for buyers and investors to all purchase something. And so you can see here, like the median days on market is just crazy low, under 30 days. And so they're just flying. I had a listing last week, and four offers of above asking price in the first weekend. So it's just really gotten, and that was in the $300,000 range. So it's really, really going. So yeah, I feel like a kind of a broken record because that's kind of been the same report every other week. But I definitely want to keep doing the data because I want to be able to pick up really quickly if anything starts to change and be able to see that as soon as we possibly can.